Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard. Oh no.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
God.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
I can't. No.
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice.
Use DEVCYCLE to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?
Oh, hello there, everybody, and welcome to Does It Toggle, your favorite place on the internet on Fridays if you are really, really interested in feature flags and figuring out which technologies they work well in. It is I, your host, with, I hope, the most, Andrew, and I am excited to be back with you today for another in our Does It Toggle series. Before we kick things off, I always like to do a little bit of a tech check. So if anybody's out there and watching, and you can let me know in one of the locations that we're on right now, be it LinkedIn or be it YouTube or X or wherever you're watching us right now, let me know how the audio sounds. I'm going to go and check this out over on X just to make sure that everything is up and working before we kind of dive too deeply in. But yeah, we're going to see. How's this sounding? Sounds okay. Not too bad. I'm okay with that. But we got a bunch of people over on X, yeah, and we got a couple people on Twitch. So yeah, let me know how things are sounding to you, how things are looking for you. Everything looks and sounds good to me, but I always like to let y'all be the judge. The other thing I'd like to do is I'd love to see, I want to try out some of the new stuff here on StreamYard as we're kind of getting things set up and waiting for people to pop in. So they've released in StreamYard, which is the service that we use to do this, a couple of things. You can do like these presets now, so you can go rectangle or square, okay? I'm okay with square, or we can also do circle. I do like circle, but I would have to like literally move my camera because I'm having to like lean over this way to do this. Let's go back to our full thing. You can see my beautiful green screen gives us a little bit more real estate to deal with, but I feel like I am going to need to turn that a little bit for today just as we're getting things set up to go. So on today's stream, we are going to be looking at a thing that we don't do very much on this stream, a non-web focused framework. So if you don't know this, I, as a developer, if you can call me that, really, really enjoy web development. And so much of this series has focused on web frameworks in basically technologies that are not normally web frameworks. Today, however, we're going to be focusing on something different. We're going to be focusing on a mobile framework called Nilo.dev, and you might have seen it in, probably did see it, hold on. In this card that I put up right here. And Nilo is actually a micro framework of Flutter. And if you don't know what Flutter is, that's okay. We're going to look at all of this stuff today. And our goal here is going to be to try and add OpenFeature flags to a simple Flutter project. That's kind of what we're doing. That's what this series is all about, kind of going and trying to explore that stuff. So if you're here, if you know Nilo, let me know in chat. But otherwise, I think that we're going to start to kick things off. I'm going to move some things around. Might move y'all over here. That's what I might do. And let me get another browser window open over here. And I'm going to open it up to Flutter. Okay, so let's look here. Share screen, entire screen, center screen. Okay, so let's look at Flutter. I also always want to show toolbar. Toolbar. What's the toolbar? I don't actually know. Always show. I don't care about Google Lens. Full URLs? Yeah, we don't care about that. What's the toolbar? I'm not even noticing that. Oh, weird. I I guess that's like separate things that are in here. Okay, so let's agree to that. We're gonna let this be. So first things first, we are gonna look at what Flutter is. We are going to get a little bit of an understanding there, and then we're going to go into the micro framework, because I feel like you need an understanding of Flutter in order to really appreciate the benefits of Nilo. But I'm also going to change my view here. I think I want, hold the phone. Is it this one? It's not that one. I don't want to do this. Maybe I do want to do this today. Maybe I just want to keep myself down here. Oh, but I can do myself as the circle now. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. I actually might like that. Let's go up here, edit, circle me. Do I want a circle or square? I'm okay with being a square. But I do feel like maybe I want to be in the upper right-hand corner. So let's update this. We'll move myself up here. And then let's move me over here and save new layout. And let's move me over to there. I think this will work. Let's see if it works. So if you're here in chat, let me know. No, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna do my regular thing. I'm gonna do the thing that I like doing, which is this guy here, and then make myself full, and then I remove the second person because I just want one, and then I make myself over here, and then fill, change the shape, change the border. That's just one, fill, and then put myself there, and then make that smaller. This is normally how I do it. I think this works. I think this is fine. And then make myself a little bit wider. No, you don't care about seeing me, do you? Maybe you do. I'm going to assume that you care a little bit about seeing me on here. And then I'm going to pull this so it's right here. Goodness, this like getting set up live is a lot of fun, but not that much fun. What do I want to do here? I could technically... Maybe I'll just change the screen dimensions. So let's go display. Displays. No, I don't think I'm using better display. So I think this is my arrange. Did that do what I thought it was going to do? No. Nope, that one. There. That's that one. That's that one. Okay, so that's done. Okay, and then I'm gonna change this center screen to be extended display. I want to be a mirror for the built-in display. I think this will do what we want it to do. This will like give us slightly better dimensions for y'all. I think. Can we fill with this one? Nan. Is that better, chat, or is that worse? I feel like it might basically be the same, but I'm curious what y'all think. Curiouser and curiouser. Let me stop share and then I'll reshare again. Oh, you're not seeing this. You're just seeing me in the corner, aren't you? Let's just share this again. Share screen, entire screen. We're just going to go back to what we had before. All right, let's just do this as a stop mirroring. Let's just do this this way. I think that makes sense. Stop share, present, share screen. Here we go. Oh no, share entire screen, screen 3. Okay, so all right, so I'll probably cut to here when I'm actually doing this in the mod, but I think that here is where we're going to start. So we're going to be looking at OpenFeature compliant flags to a Flutter app, but using the Nilo framework first things first, though, we're actually going to go and explore what Flutter is. So I've got my screen share up here. I think we're good to go. But yeah, I am super curious. How do people feel about this so far? Are we liking it? Are we disliking it? Are we happy to be exploring Flutter? Let me know in the chat. Because yeah, I want this to be an experience that we're sharing together. Okay, let's do what we came here to do. First things first, let's go into our getting started. In the docs, I'm guessing, choose a development platform to get started. You can develop in Chrome OS, that's sick. All right, we're gonna go Mac OS. Okay, your choice of forms to flow your tooling. You can set up additional platform below. You don't have a preference. Choose if you don't have a preference, choose iOS. iOS. All right. Start building a Flutter app, iOS Max, verify system. I think we've got all this stuff. Operating system, Flutter supports 6er. Excuse me. I'm assuming we've got Rosetta 2. Download and install the following packages: Xcode, CocoaPods to enable Flutter plugins in your native apps, text editor, or integrated environments. You can build out the plugin in a text editor using an IDE. The Flutter extension is better. Android Studio. Install the Flutter SDK. I mean, it's already a lot of stuff. I want to see if it's as bad over in iOS. Check the guide for Visual Studio Code. Run app without breakpoints. Flutter Dart. Okay, so you still need to get it set up. I think you still need to follow the same process. Oh, requirements. There we go. You need to have Flutter installed. Okay, so you do still need to go through the Flutter installation process. I'll also say that Flutter is a Dart programming language, I'm pretty sure. Is that right? Dart. What's the connection between Dart? Dart's a programming language. Flutter is an app framework. Yes. Okay, that's what I thought. So Flutter is the language, or sorry, Dart is the language, Flutter is the framework, Nilo is the micro framework. Whew. So we're gonna have to be doing all of these things. So we are gonna need to set up the actual Flutter process. So we're gonna do this. We are gonna do iOS. Do we want to do iOS? Can I just do web? Do I need the same things? Do I said that I was gonna do. I don't want to get Android Studio. All right, we're gonna build an iOS app. I said we were gonna do it, so let's do it. Let's just add Xcode. Where do we get Xcode? Download Xcode. Maybe I already have this actually, but we'll find out. Open in App Store. Get install. All right, we're installing Xcode over here. Ooh, I gotta log into my. Excuse me, I gotta log into my Apple account. Apple, Android, okay, so done. Okay, so Xcode is going to install, and then we also needed Xcode CocoaPods. Do I need CocoaPods? What is CocoaPods? It's a dependency manager for Swift. Sudo gem install. No. It's built with Ruby and is installable with the default Ruby available. Oh. Use sudo when installing gens further install. I don't know if I'm using the OG Ruby. Whatever. We'll follow the process. Trust the process. Trust the process. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Oh, let's clear this. I was doing earlier. Sudo gem install. Okay. So that's doing that, I think. So we've got Xcode installing here. We've got all that stuff. When you run the current text editor with, okay, so I'm using VS Code. I'm going to use this plugin, install. I do. Have it. Continue. Always allow this. What's this? Oh, this is what I was doing last week. But yeah, it's fine. I can just let that be for right now. Right. Restart extensions. Dart. Wait, was it Flutter or was it Dart? Install. Install. Is there anything unique I should know about the Dart programming? We got many layers here today. Dart programming language. Paint your UI. Give me try Dart. Run. Can I just like do hello world? Can I just do like print hello world? Print. Hello. And ooh, this looks like JavaScript. Okay. Can I run this outside of this? Or do you have to have that like void? I feel like you probably have to have that void. They must have a main function defined. Fibonacci, hello world, can we look to that? Fibonacci counter, ooh, flame game. I actually like this, to be honest with you. Oh, that's sick. Is this touch or how do I navigate? What if I want to open this? No. This is weird. How do I navigate? It must be keyboard stuff. Well, that is odd and didn't work. Google AI SDK. Run. What's this doing? Oh, that's kind of cool. I like they're giving you these examples though. Sunflower. Is this going to be like literally creating a sunflower? Oh, goodness. I mean, that's pretty cool. This is like pretty readable to me. So I don't often find like languages accessible, but this is like, this is pretty accessible. Who made Dart? Who created Dart? Developed by Google. Okay, that makes sense. C style syntax. Mixed reception. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, let's see. Is stuff running and installed? Okay, so this is installed, and then I think Xcode is installed now. Xcode is still installing. VS Code, Flutter, installing Flutter. Minimum Flutter. Where's Flutter? Flutter. Get started. macOS, iOS. Okay, I don't think I need Rosetta 2 because I have a feeling I already have it. Have this. Use VS Code to install Flutter. Launch VS Code. Command palette. Okay, Xcode is installed, so I think we're good to go. So let's just follow what it says in here. Let's open a new VS Code window, though. Let's go File, New Window. Close this. And we're going to go Command Palette. Command C. Is it C? What is it? Command Shift P. Command Shift P. And then we're going to go Flutter, and then Flutter New Project. Command Shift P. Flutter. Flutter New Project. Could not find the Flutter SDK. Flutter SDK. Download SDK. Clone Flutter. I guess we'll just clone Flutter into here. Let's see what that actually did. Okay, it's just Flutter. Okay, that seems fine. Okay, so it's downloading. What are we going to do next? VS Code, locate SDK. If we don't, this option sends a Flutter install page. Do not install Git. When prompted, which Flutter template? Ignore it. Okay. I don't know what's. Oh. Okay, that's good. So this is downloading the Silicon version of the Dart SDK. And then what do we do? Download. When set folder, choose what folder to install. VS Code places you in the user profile. Start chooses a different location. Consider development. Oh, I should have continued reading through. Outputs, we should be seeing all this stuff. Do you want to add VS Code? I'm going to leave it where it is, but yes, we'll do it. To enable Flutter in all terminals, close, then reopen all terminal windows. Okay. Is it done? Oh, what did it say to do here? Sorry. Development, click clone Flutter, download Flutter SDK. Successful initializing Flutter. Do you want to add the Flutter? Okay, the process from Flutter. At this point in the procedure, ignore this output. Flutter document show errors. When the Flutter install succeeds, pop up notification. VS Code. What do I do? Open instructions. What did it say? I mean, are you actually going to tell me open instructions? Update macOS path. Okay, so does it tell me how to do this? Update path? Path. Oh. Wait. Install Flutter SDK. Do you want to add the Flutter SDK to paths so it's accessible in external terminals? Yes. How do I do that? It's not bringing me to the same place. How do I do that? Copy. Path. So that's odd. Install Windows, Mac OS, path. Oh, is this Java? Wait, hold on. Mac OS, iOS, path. But you're not actually telling me how to do this. Copy SDK. Do you want to add the Flutter? So they must have updated the actual, so I need to copy this and Wayback Machine it. Wayback is up because I feel like that it keeps opening up the same window, which doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, so they're not actually telling you how to do this. So let's go CA Wayback Machine. Come on. Oh, goodness. I know the way to do it, but I say I know the way to do it, but they really should have it published there. Really? That's add Flutter to your path. So that's like gone. Okay, where's GitHub? This is like the docs will have been updated. View source. History. Migrate to 11t April 4th. That's Windows. like a silly thing to get hung up on. And yet, it's linking to a bunch of different places, or from a bunch of different places. I wonder if anybody has caught this. Oh, really? Hold on. Export path. Okay. Oh, hold on. Users, okay. X, can I not X that? I feel like you should be able to X. Okay. Oh, what? Okay, let's Control Z. Oh, uncut text. Hold on. Control X. Control X. No. Okay, let's do this again. How do you go to end of file? Oh, next page. This is like, this shouldn't be this challenging to get to. Maybe it's not that challenging. Maybe it's just me today. Okay, so we're gonna grab this. I'm gonna paste this, and then I think it's just /users. What is it? /users /DEVCYCLE Andrew /Flutter. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, exit. Yes. Okay, and then we're gonna do what it says here. We're gonna do Control X source ZSHRC. Done. Restart the terminal, and then we should be able to do Flutter version. Sick. Okay. Okay, what did we need to do here? So that's installed, and then just close that. Uses Google Analytics. Okay, or couldn't find locate SDK. Flutter. Oh, which Flutter template? What did it say to do here? I feel like it said ignore that. Template. Oh, press escape. Okay. Escape. Okay, sick. Press escape. You can create a test project after checking info. Okay. Download the Flutter SDK when selected. Okay, I already did this. I did all this stuff. Did all this stuff. Close the terminal windows. Restart VS Code. Oh, I don't know. I think I can do it here. Terminal. I think I need to go Flutter. Yeah. Okay. Open the App Store, sign in, search for Xcode, click install. Oh, so it's weird that it's actually like walking you through this process as part of it. That's nice. To configure my online tools, please install version of Xcode. Okay, do this. Sign the Xcode license agreement. I'll press enter to display the license. Agree. But I already installed it. device. Configure your emulator to prepare to run test your Flutter app. Okay. Downloading iOS simulator. 8 gigs. By the way, if you're here, who's watching right now? So if you're watching here, we got a bunch over on X. We got a bunch. We're on YouTube as well. We're also on Twitch. If you want to go check it out, I'd love to chat with people. I mean, I'm always happy to just talk to myself on these streams, but I'm also happy to chat with people if people are interested. As we wait for the iOS 8 simulator to install, then we're gonna run this command here. Simulate high screen density. I don't want to set it on a physical device. Enable if your apps depend on Flutter plugins. Oh, so I guess I didn't need to install that. Check your development setup. Run Flutter Doctor. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like that. I want to try this now, actually. What does this do? Where's VS Code? Bump that up. Flutter Doctor. Just waiting for this. Just waiting. I hope everybody's having a great day so far. I am. It's been good so far. Had a nice tasty lunch at an appointment this morning that went well. Everything has been a decent Friday. But it's Friday for all of you too, so I'm very curious. What are y'all up to? What's your plan? What's up for this weekend? How is it hanging? Alright. Are we almost there? I'm just vamping. Really? Just vamping. Just vamping as the iOS 18 simulator installs. People watching us over on X, people watching us on YouTube and on Twitch as well. And maybe on LinkedIn, actually. I have no idea what happens over on LinkedIn. Hopefully people are watching us over there. Let's see how it looks over there. I'm gonna go look over on LinkedIn and see how it looks. Lots of activity. Okay. Not that I'm looking for. Where did I post this? Dashboard? It must be on here. It must be in my feed. Page posts. There we go. I was just checking LinkedIn. It seems fine. Seems fine. Let's close some windows. Okay, so I got this verifying runtime thing, which means I think now I can run, in just a second, I'll be able to run this command that I ran over here again, and it should. Is it Flutter Doctor? I think it was Flutter Doctor. Flutter Doctor. More people showing up. Welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. If you're on the East Coast, it is officially Friday. If you're on the West Coast, we are still early-ish in the day. But welcome either way. Welcome either way. Be sure to say hello. Oh, we had somebody on YouTube, and then we lost somebody on YouTube. Okay, this verification process is happening. While that's going on, let's see what we're actually going to need to do next. So close that and move that over there. So we're gonna run this Flutter Doctor command. That's fine. Learn how to write your first Flutter app. So this will be what we're gonna be doing. So that was all just setup, people. Oh, there's a code lab? Wait, but does it walk me through like everything? I have a feeling it does not. Set up your Flutter environment. Oh, why didn't I just do this? Create a project. But is this an iOS one or is this a... Yeah, I set up your Flutter environment. The software required. Create a project. But I feel like this is a web project. Is it not? Does it matter? This seems strange. Learn Flutter. Cookbooks, demos, and samples. Platform design. Native iOS view. Provider shopper. Testing app. Puzzle challenge. Dice. No, I just want like a... I want an iOS app. Hold on. Development, learn, docs. Okay, is this finished yet? Oh, I guess it did the verification process, so let's do Flutter Doctor. Wait for that to go. So, docs, get started. Introduction. So Mac OS, okay. iOS. Great, I did all this stuff, configure iOS, did all this stuff. Oh, but I wanted to do this. Scanning for devices is taking a long time. But why though? Oh, there we go, I found it. Okay, so let's run this, open a simulator. Where? Oh, sick. Okay, so we got an iPhone 16. Turning on. I'm not gonna do a 16 though. Too new. Can I change the version? Simulator settings, GPU selection. Can you like select a different version? Oh, sick. Yeah, there we go. That's what I got. So close that. Beautiful. Okay, so this is all working. So like the simulator's on. Deploy Flutter app. Okay, so we're not going to do any of that stuff. Runner. Yeah, I don't think we need to do any of that. Install CocoaPods, check your development setup. We did that. Start developing. Congratulations, you've installed all prerequisites and start iOS. Yeah, I feel like it is different. I feel like it's different. So this is technically telling you how to make a Flutter app. It's true. But I think that this is like a Flutter desktop app. Maybe I don't understand Flutter. Because how does it know where to deploy? Build context, name or app. Is this an app? 50 lines. Launch the app. No, this is like a desktop app. Mobile calc unexpectedly ignore. Oh, hold on. Is that part of this? Oh no, that's just like setting up or installing or something. Adding a button. Yeah, it's like a desktop app. got to be a different one. Flutter iOS app. Getting started. So that doesn't help me. Where's the actual build and release an iOS app? Register your app, register a bundle. I don't want to do any of that. How to test build an iOS app. Flutter. Set up your environment. Okay. Okay, get all this stuff. Create a new Flutter project. Okay. Open the project in Xcode. Okay, hold on. Hold the phone. Set up an iOS simulator. Open iOS right. Okay, so let's do this. Flutter create an iOS app. Hey, let's go. Okay, so that's open. So let's go here, and we're gonna run this. Okay, so we're in there, and then we're gonna go open iOS workspace. Can we do this? Oh, nope. No. Bad. This is my first. I've never done an. I feel like I decided I wanted to try and do an iOS app a while ago, but I was doing it with this JSON framework for iOS apps. Was it called like JSON? Oh no, it wasn't. What was it called? There was like a framework that was focused on iOS apps only using JSON. Oh, what is this framework called? Was it JSONify? No, it wasn't JSONify. JSON iOS apps. It was like on GitHub. No, it's not that. If it's here. I must have saved it though. I must have saved it somewhere. Hold on. Your stars. Inspiration are just amazing. That's a weird one to have in there. Can I move that to a different one? It's just amazing. Definitely not. I don't know if I would call it inspiration. Let's refresh that. Delete list. Delete. Oh. I guess I've got a bunch of them here. Where is it? This was like an old one. Searching goes, there plays. No, this would have been years ago. Ooh, I forgot about Fighter. Time. I forgot about a lot of these. Feather, Umami. Oh, but I do want to show this to you. If I can find it. Waffle was a cool project too that I used for a little while. GBT. Okay, so I'm gonna hide that. So there was a framework for building iOS apps using only a JSON file. The founder and creator mysteriously disappeared. What am I talking about? JSONnet. I need to find this in here, and now there's JSONL. So JSONnet was this. Yeah, I never found, and now there's JSONL. To start this too. So these are like a wrapper for a web app that you can use to create an app. But yeah, this is kind of cool. Ethan, the developer and founder, it gained a lot of simplicity. He disappeared from the community, never touched it, and orphaned it. So, anyways, y'all probably don't care about any of that. I feel like it's just interesting on my side. We're back here. So, did I run this yet? Did I run this open? Okay, I did not. I don't know where this is opening right now. So that's that. Xcode is doing something. This must be opening somewhere. Where though? Oh, there it is. Okay, set up an iOS. Okay, we already did this. Run your Flutter app in iOS. Connect your device, ensure the simulator is running, and then execute. All right. Right. I guess we're just gonna run this. Flutter run. Am I in the right place? No, hold on. Flutter run. Downloading iOS tools. All right. All right. Hey, and Keith, how are you? How are you? Yeah, somebody's showing up over on X. I love that people are chatting over on X. That makes me super happy. All right. Things are happening, people. Things are happening. Welcome to the stream, by the way, Enki. So we have created a Flutter app over here, but I don't think... Do you have to do all the editing in here? Or do you do the editing in VS Code? That's my question. I have no idea. Lots of people showing up. I guess it's like we're an hour in, so people have been getting all these notifications. Okay. Sick. App is working. Debug button does nothing, I guess. Okay, let's go look over here. Oh, okay. So I can actually go here and look at the debug information. A Dart VM service is available here. Can I just look at this address? So, kind of. But not really. Oh, I guess I can get like performance stuff. Okay. Inspector, memory. Oh, okay, that's cool. So this is like dev tools for the app. I mean, that's pretty cool. No thanks. ARM, iOS, Flutter native, Flutter inspector. Are we actually just like clicking this? Okay, I guess we're not really doing anything important there. Okay, let me move this over here, and then I don't think we need this right now. I don't want this. I don't want this. Don't want this. Don't want this. Flutter. Okay, let's close this. Cocoa Pods. Cocoa Pods. Developing iOS Mac apps. Okay, we already did that. We're not doing any of this stuff. Okay, so Flutter runtime for optimizing. Build an iOS app with Flutter. Is it though? I don't think that that's super straightforward. I had to go to a separate location to find that stuff. Okay, let me open that project though, my iOS app. Alright. Okay, so I am... Oh, that's cool. So I could actually launch this on anything? Can I do it here? Okay, so I'd have to, would have to download that. 16. Oh, my iOS app. I mean, it's kind of cool, but I don't really understand. Okay, let's take a look at the structure here. My iOS app IMLs. This is like header stuff, isn't it? Dart stuff, pub spec. New Flutter project, my iOS app, analysis, Windows, Flutter. Okay, I don't think I need to mess around with a lot of this stuff. Favicon, icons. Okay, that all makes sense. So I guess this is just like a wrapper, right? Widget test, counter increment smoke test. Okay, so that's test stuff. Mac OS. Oh, and I guess you have a library for each of these. This is like my actual Mac OS or my iOS thing. But do I actually do anything? Like, where do you... Oh, okay. Now I'm getting this more. I'm getting the structure. So there's one in each of these. But you're building the same... Oh, it's for Linux too, I guess. Windows. So, okay. All right. But where do I actually do my coding in here? Like, where do I actually... Well, okay, what's the language here? You have pushed the button. Where do I find it? You have pushed the button. Main Dart. Excuse me. So, I don't think I touch anything in here. That's test stuff. That's all, like... Yeah, I think all of this stuff... I'm not really touching. Really, everything's in our lib. This is the theme of your application. It's a purple toolbar. Without quitting this app, try changing the seed color and the color scheme before. Deep red? Does that exist? Red? Is that updated in real time? Save your changes or press hot reload button in the Flutter supported IDE, or press R if you use the command line to start the app. So I have to click R over there. How do you... I feel like I need to turn this off. Hold on, I'm gonna cancel it over here. Flutter run. Okay, I'm gonna close that there. Open a terminal here. Remote disabled. hold on. Start. So this is the current device, but I think it's off now, right? I think if I like try and close this and reopen it, it should be done. Where is it running? Oh, I guess it's running in, well, hold on. Blue? Does that update it now? Because I'm nowhere to press refresh, which is what it had said. But is it running here somewhere? I have no... There's like so many extra steps here. Continue. Close that. Yeah, like where is this running? What if I like restart this? What happens? Device restart. If you're watching, by the way, only Ankita said hi, but please say hello. So I'm playing around in Flutter right now. Is my app still here? But that's blue now, not purple. Oh, I guess hold on, Flutter run. It's like running the previous version of it, eh? I guess you could probably do Flutter run from within this, but I don't necessarily know how, so I'm just kind of following the instructions. But let's go and so we've got Flutter working now. We haven't even gotten to Nilo yet, but let's go over and OpenFeature I think has a Flutter. Excuse me, so OpenFeature has a Dart package. How do I install with Flutter? Okay. I'll try to import it. I'm gonna open a new terminal here. And let's add OpenFeature just to Flutter. Okay, change one dependency. And now I can import it in my code. So I want to import it up here. So it's just saying that I've not used it. Unused import. But that's okay because I will use it. Example. Provide. How do you use environment variables in here? Can I just put them in the base? Hold on. Environment variables in Flutter project. Here, client, get client pool. Envar provider. There is Envar provider. Do we set that anywhere? Okay, Envar provider. I mean, let's just do this. Hold the phone. Dart. Do we touch on Dart in here at all? iOS? Do we touch our Dart in here at all? Dart. We don't. I mean, let's just do this then, I guess. maybe I don't want that to be async. Maybe extend stateless widget. Maybe I can do an async in, not in main, but inside of one here, my home page. This is a lot. Increment. Do a push. Okay, so this is where we're pushing the text. And by the way, if you're not sure what the actual app is, like this is the app that we're building. It's funny, I'm back, and oh yeah, I'm back. Yeah, casual. Sorry, yes, I'm back. I'm back now. I am back. Yeah, it's been weird. I was back last week actually. Where was I last week? What did I do last week? Maybe it was a different time last week. But yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Nobody said a thing to me. Is that better? Audio? Huh. That might be it. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Check 1, 2. Check, 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 check. Maybe it's because it's automatically adjusting. Is that better or worse? Let me know. Is that better or worse? Better or worse? Or still just low? Okay, better? Good. Whoa, it's super high though. Hold on. I'm gonna see what's going on over on YouTube. YouTube and view your channel. Alright. It does seem low, hey? And the music seems high. I wonder if that's what it is. Okay, just turn that down. That might be what it was. The music was too high. Let's see. I think that might do it. Very strange. I also just like cranked the mic volume. So hoping that'll do it too. But yeah, that's odd. Weird. Okay, well, but yeah, this is what we're doing today, casual. We are in doing iOS app development today and trying to add feature flags into an iOS app. And we're using the Flutter amp. So OpenFeature. This I might be happy to get into a micro framework after this because this seems like a lot. Did they even list Dart in here? They don't even list. It's not. I don't even know if this is officially supported. Dart OpenFeature. This might be. Yeah, this is Dart Pub add OpenFeature. Yeah, this is not. It's not officially supported actually. From last year, so this might not actually even work. Envar provider. I want to get this. I wonder if I can hold the phone. What if instead of running it, where did I try and run it? Did I try and do async somewhere else? Let's just do it like outside of here. API provider. Variables must be declared using. Okay, so let's just run app, cancel that, and what does this do? Oh, and then this needs to be async. Async result. The value of result isn't used. How do you print something? Print. Print in Flutter. Console message. Print? Just print? Is there just regular print? Okay, print. So print result. Print. Print. Result. Okay. But where does it print? Don't invoke print in production code. Okay. Try using a logging framework. Oh, no, I'm gonna do this anyways. Where did I run this? Over here? So I think I need to run this, click R. Clear, 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 R. I don't know what's happening here, actually. Why can I restart it over here? Flutter, DevTools. Let's get the Flutter DevTools here. Oh, connect to a running app. Why is it not showing me where this app is running? Did I not do it the right way? Open simulator, Flutter run. Open iOS. And open instead of an iOS simulator. Why are you... Hold on. I want to know where it's running. Okay. I wonder if it's because I'm doing it in here. Can I just cancel this? Okay, let's go back into my regular terminal. And then we're going to go ls. And then I think I want to go cd my iOS app. And then I want to go Flutter run. And I think we'll do it from in here. But I'll bump this up for everybody so you can see here. This is what it did in the other one too, but I'm looking, it should, okay, build done. That's all I get. That's it, hey? How do I know where this is running though? Runner, ready, build, test, and distribute, no. Like, I don't know what the heck's going on here. Let's quit Xcode and cancel that. And cd my iOS app. Okay, and then we did this, which opened that. Great. And then run the Flutter. We have our simulator running. And then Flutter run. Is it because it's running? I don't know what's going on. How did I get the... Oh, debug? Did I click on this? Maybe I did. Maybe I clicked this and that's what gave me that. Let's give it a sec. Come on. Okay, the build is done, but if I click on debug, I get nothing. It is definitely working, but where do I debug? Terminal, Flutter Inspector, open DevTools, CPU Profiler, open file, load data. No, I don't want that. Deep links, home. Enter a URL, connect. I don't know what URL it's running on though. this is what's weird is open DevTools. No, this is what I mean. I don't know where it's running. Yeah, I don't know. Like, why? Do I have to shut down the emulator first? Okay, what if I just shut all this down? Close. Quit. That's not running. Let's close this. Okay, so then we're gonna run this. And we're gonna run, where is it? Open a simulator. Okay. Great. Terminate. Okay. So my Flutter app, can I uninstall this? Oh no, I want to long press and uninstall. Remove app. Delete app. Delete. Okay. And then I want to go Flutter run. Maybe this will do it this time. I feel like this will do it because, okay, so the build is done. Okay, Flutter app is installed. Okay, good. So this is what I was looking for before. R hot reload. Okay, so you do have to click R on here. So, okay. So let's pull this up again. Pull this up. So I'm pretty sure that Flutter Inspector console, we're looking for logs, question mark? No. What is this memory? Logging. I think it's going to be in the logger. And then what was our code? Hold on. Where'd VS Code go? Okay. Let's exit out of that. So here, we basically had this print result. So I actually just want to print hello to start with. No, just hello. And I'm going to hot reload that. R. Where do I see hello? Hello, DevTools, VM flag, Flutter Inspector, layout, widget tree, performance, CPU profiler, memory, debugger. Is it actually doing anything? So this should, oh, it's because it's async. Hold on. Where's VS Code again? So let me get rid of all this stuff. Let me get rid of the async. And let's go there. Okay, reload that. And now, I think it's probably only when you open it that it does that. So let's long press. Oh, don't allow. No, I don't want to. Okay, that's off. Okay, so now I think when it opens, it should do hello world in the logs. Somewhere in the logs. I would have thought app size, debugger. Unless I... Does it not fully rebuild it? No, there we go. So that's the whole thing. Breakpoint, performance, CPU, memory, logging. Does it not catch everything? Why is this not working? Yeah, I mean, I know you're saying not to do it, but like, print to logger, print to logging, Flutter. How to print logs in Flutter. Okay, print logs, console. I printed something. So where does this print to? Where are you printing to? Debug print. Yeah, where does that show up? Print logs, Flutter, macOS. Okay. Flutter run. Flutter doctor. Debug Flutter apps from code. Dev tools. Add logging to application. Print using print statements. Print to start. Import dart.io and start invoking methods. Developer. Okay. What does this do? Hold on. Does this do it? Hold on. What is that? Where does that actually print it to? Can you not just print? Hold on. Developer log. We're just gonna try this. Oh shoot. No. Just log me. Reload. And then back over here. Okay, and let's cancel out this print statement. And then I think we need to close this completely. Ugh. Okay, does that do it? I don't want to filter anything. I don't want to hide anything. Apply. Main new space collection, heap space. Where are the logs though, people? Performance, CPU compiler. Where does this output to? Where do these logs go? Like where? Hold on. Those logs should go somewhere. Okay, hot reload complete. Where do the logs go? Enable verbose logging. Close. No, I don't want to worry about bug stuff. I wanted to be able to get this working just because this would have helped us when we were going into Nilo, but we're like 40 minutes left in the stream, so I don't know how far we're going to get. Reload. Oh, okay. So that got it. Where did that show up, though? Goodness. What about print now? Can I do print? Wait, what? Oh, dang. Let it run. I'm hoping that this will still work. But it does not appear that it will be. I had to like shut down everything last time. Oh, no, there we go. Okay. And what do we have to do in here? both logging. Logging. Restart. Okay, so it is printing. Flutter hello. What if I want to do this now? And let's get rid of this, and then we'll do this like developer log me thing. And then we'll actually log result. Will that work? Bool can't be assigned to a string. What? Oh, I see. How do you do? Can you do if result? Is that right? I think that logic will work. Okay. So this should return goodbye. And then I need to put async on here. Go async. And it should find nothing. Goodbye. Okay, good. My nvar provider, API provider. Okay, so this is working. It's not throwing any bugs, so I think we're good so far. mvar provider, but I need to look in here for this. Do they give an example in here? Of course they don't. OpenFeature. Of course they don't. And like, I don't know how to do in-memory provider with this. Like, hold the phone. Back. Example. mvar provider. That example is unhelpful. Because where are you actually defining that provider stuff? Like, yeah, nvar provider is not. Oh, mvar provider. Yes, environment variables provider, metadata provider evaluation tool. But do I need to use .env? Oh, I guess I can just like add an environment variable. Oh, frig. Do I? Okay. .env in Flutter. .env in Flutter. Flutter.env. Okay, create this. Add the create and env root of your project. Add deploy to your ensure that corresponds with the location of the env file. Add the info to your assets bundle. Assets env. Okay. Where do you do that? Pubspec. Is it pubspec? Pubspec YAML. And then I need to add this. Does it talk about env here? Let's add it to the bottom, I guess. Assets.env, and then I'm going to add a .env, new file, .env, hello, hello equals true. Okay. File, okay. Usage. Oh, I need to add it, I guess. Oh my goodness. Import async await file name env. usage, get bool. But like, hold the phone. ENV provider. Where am I feeding the data into this provider? Oh, that's frustrating. Okay. That's really frustrating. Okay, so I realize that I'm kind of doing like the most basic implementation of this. I want to know how this works. mvar provider. Is there anywhere on an example of this? Mvar provider. Can I look up Dart? Dart. Search. Dart. Okay, not helpful. Set your own provider. I just don't know how the mvar env provider OpenFeature. There's got to be another example of this. Oh, environment variable provider. So basic implemented. Doesn't exist. Is it a utility? No. So, does this exist anywhere anymore? Vendor supplied. Oh no, I don't want vendor supplied. Vendor supported. Hook? No. Is it covered in here at all? Go feature flag, unleash. Oh, environment variable. Rust. Okay. Does this explain how this works? Flags are stored as this from environment. Set provider. Stored as JSON with one configuration per key flag. Oh my god. JavaScript? Okay. Great. True. Start the application. Okay, I need to install this. I think I've got this now. I think I've got this. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Okay, and then we're gonna import this. Usage example wait.env readme. Okay, we created that and we called it hello. Import this. I already imported it. Future main .m is automatic collector import. If you want to load multiple .m files, you can .m into .m file name. M can be omitted in this case. M it can be omitted in this case. Ensure that the default file name corresponds. version. Okay, .env equals .env is automatically called during import. Another .env. And I need to, what did they do in the example? Okay, so they did need to do this. Merge with optional. Sure. What did we do here? Future async. Get rid of that. We don't need this. .env. Okay, we got that. Oh shoot, we don't need this though. Oh, come on. And then how are we actually using it? Where were we using it? .env get. Okay, so I guess I don't need that. I think this will just work now. So we're gonna grab hello, and hello should be true. Hello world. And how did we do it here? How did they do it over here? Hello world equals true. Hello underscore world. Hello underscore world. All right, I don't know if we're gonna get to Nilo. We'll try and get to Nilo, but we may not. R. Okay, hot reload. Reloading. I think that worked. Simulator. Oh, and we wanted to go into our debug. Hot restart. Clear. Hot restart. No logs. Didn't find it. What if I... Oh, okay. No, I don't want to do this. Void. Main. I don't think I need to await this anymore. I think it'll just automatically get it. Or async. No, that's fine. How? That's server side. Can I just, no, because I guess they gave this example, hey? Open feature Dart. Yeah, so they did this. Oh, I should have looked at this. Very much experimental. Oh wait, final API. Did they give an example here? Future void async, final API, provider, API get client, await async. So future, main async, final API, API and provider, my client, await client. Yeah, await client. And then do I want to just... Did I update this already? I did. And then am I just doing like developer log? Why don't I do developer log at the top? Testing. See if that works. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait, hold on. Performing hot reload. Instance file not found. .env get entries from file flutter.env dart. Oh, so I think that found it again. Maybe? Okay, so it got testing. And then does it get test 2? Clear. No, so it only gets testing. I bet you it gets... Oh, I guess I could maybe do my in my app. Yeah, because then I get, but then... Yeah, I bet you it'll get this. Hold on. Did I not save this? Final client. Interesting. So it's not getting even past this first await. Which makes sense. What's the example again? Not a great example. Not helpful. Not helpful. Because how do you do this and then actually get your response? Because I'm getting this await. Well, hold on. What did he... No, future main async. Oh, no, this is the .env. Oh, okay, but then they did run app, my app. So we're still able to do that. Okay. But... Hold on. Let's see if that does anything. Restart. And... Okay. But it's not running anymore. Bet you if I get rid of all this stuff, though, it will. Maybe not. Really? Interesting. What if I get rid of this? Still no, hey? Did I cancel something else out? Is it because of these imports? Shouldn't be these imports causing problems. Come on. Come on. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ugh. Oh, lost connection to device. Shouldn't have. What yeah, what do you mean casual? Like what kind of job duties? Why is that not working now? What? Oh, it's because I have it as async. But if I add that in, it's fine. And then I do this. Reload. Oh. Yeah, it depends on what the job duties are. Casual. I gotta delete a bunch of insurance from exam for the past 20 years or so. What format are the insurances? What do you mean by insurances? And what format are they in? So I don't think we're getting a Nilo today, people. It was a good thought, but I'll have to rename the stream, which is literally just going to be like building in Flutter. I think it was a stretch for me to try and go beyond Flutter. I don't know why it's not running. Quit. I really did plan on getting into Nilo. I really did. No wireless devices were found. Oh. Quit. Open simulator. So anyway, that was here, that was super pumped about Nilo. I apologize. I'll have to do another stream on Nilo in the future. But it was a bit of a bold claim for me. Bold claim. Bill. Oh, I see. Like medical related stuff. Set to bill. I only have the GUI to access. I mean, so there's some new, there was like just an announcement about, Claude that can now do like computer related things. So you could technically, like, you might even be able to use Claude as like the AI tool to be like, hey, go and delete all of this stuff. It depends on what access they give you in the database. So like if it's a like you have a GUI, like a GUI, like a graphical user interface, but there might be an API, like an application programming interface, that you could use to, like access the files programmatically, and then you could probably do it that way. But I'd have to know like the like way to deal with that. I mean, technically from the UI, you could just do JavaScript. Like there's probably like a JavaScript thing that you can do in the console to like control the browser to make it happen over and over again. It's just a matter of getting it set up. So it is possible. So yeah, I would just say JavaScript, probably. I'm gonna need to go and get a coffee after this. In fact, I'm definitely gonna have to go get a coffee after this. That's okay. All right. I think this should finally be working again, but I don't know. I think there's a bug actually. Delete. Delete. Start it again. Yeah, check into it, Casual, and let me know. Like, just if you're on a stream and you get some more information, I'm super happy to like help you through the process. Or like reach out to me on LinkedIn or one of the other channels, and I'm happy to find some time for us to chat. Super happy to help. Okay, are you running now? So we can't run? This doesn't actually work? The example that you gave me does not actually work. Or it's just not finding the .m file? I don't even think I need to run this. Reload. my iOS app. All right. So the moral of this story, let me get rid of the async and reload. Why are you not actually loading now? Is const my app not the actual? I'm 99% sure it is. But why? Like, why are you not showing up there? So that does not work. And so we're gonna get DEVCYCLEs working, but that's super frustrating. DEVCYCLE, Flutter SDK. So OpenFeature does not play well in there. Let's just add Flutter. I can try this and see if it works, but like I don't understand why this is being silly now. Save. Reload. Ugh. Deep purple. Save. Reload. Like, why? Like, why are you not opening now? Why are you not opening? Do I really need to uninstall you from here and reinstall you? Remove app. Remove, delete app. Delete. It's gonna stop it over here. Try again. Goodness, this is challenging today. This is a process. I get why like software developers are working full time. Like, this is a crazy job. Okay. And like just full of like these little setup things. Okay. All right. It's back and working again. Amazing. Let's install the DEVCYCLE Flutter SDK. Because I need a win. Getting started. Import package. Okay, I love where this is doing this. Awesome. So this, maybe it's just the implementation needed to be different than what was in the examples. My app, override state. Does this have state my app widget? Yeah, I think that's fine. My home page, my app state. I think this will work. Override, init state. Can we init state? Can I just run this? Final DEVCYCLE client build. I'm just gonna put this in the home page. Oh, it's not used anywhere. Usage. Build. What? Can't
be accessed as an initializer. What do you mean? Okay, do I need to use it somewhere else? Widget. Scaffold. Can I run it in here? And then just says this is not used, hey? Key is not defined. Default value, name parameter default value is not defined. Try correct the name to existing parameter's name. Get all variables. Okay. Can I do that? Can I do this? No. It can only be used in an async function. Da, 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 da. So you're having to use a wait there anyways. How can I use this in here? I mean, it's saying that there's like it's a home page state, and then this is another one of those streams where it's like I should probably have touched the language before, but I feel like this is also like a realistic experience the first time of like where do you put things. Bet you anything that that like the micro framework would probably have worked better for this. It's just like a lot. Just want to look at Nilo at least. Directory structure. Oh yeah, this would have been so much easier. Why did I do just Flutter itself? Why, oh why did I make the decision that I made today? App bar, final DEVCYCLE client. Okay, you're not used anywhere. Where do you use underscore counter? Text. Ooh, what if I just do a text thing here? And then I say DEVCYCLE client underscore DEVCYCLE client dot. Ooh, hold on. Variable value dot bool key. Oh, success. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do a bad thing. Maybe not a bad thing, but we're gonna do it anyways. Okay, let's see what this returns. Why is that returning that? Is it because I've got that? Maybe I can define this outside of here. Variable value. Variable value. Fine. But it's like, where's variable value coming from? I think I can maybe define it here. Can I not? Const. Okay, but what if we do? Can't use that in constant expressions. Final. Local variable. Do not start with an underscore. But now, value of this isn't used. My C. I wonder if that'll work. See what that returns. Oh no! No. Reload. Oh no. Too few positional arguments. Variable value key value. Oh, all right. Does that still find the issue if I use it elsewhere? Probably gonna say like I can't use that here. It can't be accessed on an initializer. What if I do inside here? No, not inside this return. Well, why can't it work in there? Why can't it work in there? Maybe it can. Oh no. Let's see. Refresh. Hot reload failed to complete. Oh no. Flutter run. Let's see if this works. Come on. What's going on? Oh my goodness. So it's done building, but I feel like it's airing out though. It's been modified by another applicator. I don't care about that. Instance of DEVCYCLE client. What is this? Oh, hold on. What does it actually say? I want to get this working before I go. DEVCYCLE client, and then I want to use it down here. What does this return? If I just refresh this. No implementation found for method initialized DEVCYCLE. Missing plugin. Goodness. This is real. Is there a Dart example in our example apps? We might be here for a couple more minutes, everybody. We must have a Dart example. Or a Flutter example. Flutter. Goodness. Oh no, hold on. There is one. iOS. Flutter. Runner. Lib. Main. Good lord, this is intense. Okay. Final logger. Display value. Okay, so in my app state, which is my home page here, I think. Oh no, my home page state. That's where I'm importing that. Override init variable. Init variable. DEVCYCLE on initialized. Async DEVCYCLE client initialized. Variable string variable. Wait string variable state. On update. Final boolean variable. Init variable. Init variable. everything. Widget. Can I get all variables? Okay. I want that. Show all variables. DEVCYCLE client. Oh wait. Does this need to be in there? Final DEVCYCLE client. Okay, it's not in there. Wait. Final DEVCYCLE client. Increment counter. Void. Show all variables. Display value. Await. DEVCYCLE client. Or defining. I did define the name. Oh, DEVCYCLE client. Display value. Where did I get display value? Display value. Set state display value. Set state display value. I just wanted to show text. What is that one? Show all variables. On press. Show all variables. Show all variables. Fine. Display value. Is that what I just added there? Where's display value? Display value. Fine. String. Display value. Variable value. Display value. Oh my goodness. Okay. Display value. Display value. It is used. It is used. What does it say? It is used. It is used. What are you talking about? It's 100% used. My app state. Override. Why is display value not able to be found? Man, this is quite the framework. Text display value. And then, okay, text display value. Where is this? Text display value, comma, and elevated button, show all variables. All feature, all variable. Is that it? Yes. Oh, is this, well, what are you doing? Flutter run. I'm hoping this just throws an error. Launching, linking, compiling, signing. Build done. Okay, so it's returning nothing. Quit unexpectedly. Ignore. Well, what happened? Okay, invalid key. That's working then. Okay, we're almost there. Let's go and app.devcycle.com. Holy moly. So, OpenFeature. No, not happening. DevCycle, maybe. Mobile. I wonder. Reload might have worked. What are we getting in terms of our error in here? Anything? Reload. Reload, reload, load. I mean, remove app, delete app, I'll rebuild it, see what happens. Still a lot of, like, develop software development after discovering is just like so much like run things, right? Okay. All variables. Okay. Okay, so that actually did work. So I know it's changing, but it is working. Sick. All right, so like it is evaluating that. Oh my goodness, that's silly. Variables. Oh wait, all variables. Display value variable map. So like that was getting it in there. That's another one that I can do. We're here. We might as well stay for another 5 minutes. What's our example? Just so you know, if you're ever in here, you can find all these examples in the DevCycle HQ, like our client SDK example. iOS. Flutter. No, not Flutter. Lib. Main. Variable value. DevCycle client. Initial platform state. Final variable. What are some of my features in here? Let's do this as string. String, string, string. Do I have a string one? Not there. String, okay. Show the variable. Show the variable. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to async that though. Also don't need to map. Set state. It's gonna be I think it's just tam. I think. Hold on. Wait, wow. Oh, DEVCYCLE, that's why. Variable, and then that. And then I think this should just be tam. Oh no, hold on. Control can feed. Is it just called tam? Yeah, it's tam. Tom. Don't need this anymore. Show the variable. Show the variable. Show the variable. Build. Build. Oh, expected. That before this. Default value. Where's tam? Ah, get rid of that. Restart. Instance of future. You have pushed this button too many times. Instance of future. Do I need async? Set state. Oh, refresh. I guess I can do this. I guess I gotta do future void. Future void. Show the variable async. Async. Variable. Async. Variable set state. Default display value. Display value. Maybe that'll do it. Refresh. Over here. Default value. We clicked it too many times. But why? Oh, it's because it's not called tam. Oh, wait, hold on. Refresh. Okay, so like this is, and I think I can change this. So this can feed right now, but if I change it over here, goodness, that took a long time. I guess a lot of this is just like figuring out the serve, control A, save. And I think A should be can clean. Yeah, so we did actually get that, but holy moly, it took us almost 2.5 hours to get there. It's like the idiosyncrasies of understanding how this works, but also trying to use. So the moral of this story really is the OpenFeature SDK for Dart is not ready. / it might be ready, but then it's not well documented for the environment variable. So like, or the environment provider. So it doesn't really help you. So I'm going to have to rename this though. This definitely wasn't like a Meet Nilo stream. This was like a Meet Flutter stream. And I think that ultimately that's okay. Because we're going to potentially have to revisit Nilo in the future, but yeah, Flutter was the name of the game. Did it toggle? Not easily. With DEVCYCLE for sure. With OpenFeature, less for sure. Let me pull this down because I think that's going to be it for us today. So be back next Friday. But if you are in North Carolina between Monday, Tuesday, or Sunday and Tuesday, or Sunday and Wednesday, I guess, I'm going to be there with Andrew Norris, CEO of DEVCYCLE. We're going to be hanging out at All Things Open. If you are going to be there and you are interested in joining us for our Sunday night meetup with Sundays, we're going to be going out for some ice cream on Sunday night with some other folks that are going to the conference. So be reach out to us, DM us to find out more about that. Otherwise, as always, thanks Casual for sticking around and being part of the stream. Thanks, and Keat for being part of the chat. Thanks all of you for catching the stream today. And yeah, like I said, it was the hope had been to be a Nilo stream. It really ended up being a Flutter stream, but that's okay. That's how these streams go sometimes. And there'll be a focus next time on, well, now we'll know what we're doing. We know a little bit better now. So we can dive into Nilo another day. All right. So with that, I think I'm going to call it a day for today. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here, and looking forward to seeing you around the DEVCYCLE community. Pull myself off, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, everybody.
Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
I can't.
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DEVCYCLE to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, rerolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?